I need paint job too. It look like it got sanded a little bit. I get rid of that Hemi badge. I'm gonna show you all the stuff I'm getting rid of. Getting rid of them lights. These. Man, I don't even want these rims. I gotta get a little thing right here. I gotta get rid of this. I don't want that. I just wanted a plain trunk. I'm gonna end up painting it black. I gotta get rid of this old protective film in the back. Because when you looking back here, it's like little bubbles. You can barely see it on camera. What's good, YouTube? This is the POV. I need a wheel alignment bad. Cause this is straight right here. Man, this mud is so nice, bro. Let me hop in a little bit.
Oh, shit, Shann, hopping in.
Shake these, man.
Go ahead.